Myself, Tamim Mandsaurwala. I am the Managing Director of Excel Wall Coverings. We are India's leading wallpaper company and we exhibit at HGH every year.
What does Excel offer?
We are into wall coverings and we provide great design in wall covering space in the country. We have collections launching from ethnic to every style of design that we do and what exactly the industry needs. This year at HGH, we are launching two new ethnic collections, one from Toile India and one from Sharjah. These are ethnic collections that we are bringing in. It's a trend which is actually going on for last 3-4 years. People want more indigenous product. Other than that, we have collections from around the world. So we are also launching Versace, the new collection of Versace, and many other new brands.
Is there anything else that you are showcasing here today apart from wall coverings?
We are also into floor coverings. All floor coverings are made in India. These are easy to change floors. So from SPC to LVT to wooden laminate floor, they're widely used across the sector in the country.
How is it different from other brands that are present?
Most of the floor coverings that you see in the country at the moment are either imported from other countries, from China, Europe. But the products that we are having are all produced in India or are made in India products and best in quality for sure.
And what about wall coverings?
Wall coverings, the ethnic collection that we have launched this year are all designed and produced in India. And many other collections like Versace or other collections, we are importing it from other country. We are sourcing it basically from other country, distributing it across the country. We are present across the country. We work with more than 5,000 stores across the country through our distribution channel. And we have our team present across the country as well. So you find us in every home furnishing stores in India. So you name it and we are there.